Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you're probably handling assets like Cardano. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to send Cardano, ADA, from your Phantom wallet to XMO. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom wallet installed on your device or as a browser extension. It's user-friendly and secure, perfect for managing your crypto. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and locate your Cardano holdings. If you don't see ADA, you might need to add the Cardano network. It's straightforward, just go to the settings and search for it. Next, head over to XMO and log into your account. Find the deposit section for Cardano. XMO will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Double-check that it's for Cardano specifically to avoid any mix-ups. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, select your Cardano balance and click on the Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste the one from XMO here. Then, input the amount of ADA you want to send. Remember to leave some for network fees, which in 2025 are typically low but can vary based on blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything. The address, the amount, and the estimated fees. Phantom will show you a summary to ensure accuracy. Once you're good, approve the transaction. You'll need to confirm it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric auth. After sending, keep an eye on the transaction status. You can check it on a blockchain explorer like Cardano's official site. Once it's confirmed, log back into XMO and verify that your ADA has arrived. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Cardano from Phantom to XMO. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for large amounts and double-checking addresses. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.